Have you ever downloaded an app because someone on YouTube called it a must-have, only to open it once and never touch it again? Your phone slowly fills with useless apps, your storage disappears, your battery drains faster, and somehow you're still missing the apps that actually make life easy. Today, I'm going to save you from that. These are 8 free Android apps that genuinely deserve a place on your phone. Whether you're a student, content creator, business owner, or just someone who wants to get more out of their device, these apps solve real problems. From managing files and editing photos to creating professional videos, protecting your privacy, blocking annoying ads, and even organizing your notes, there's something here that you'll probably use every single day. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever used Android without them. Let's start with one of the most underrated apps of all, File Manager Plus. Most people don't think about file managers until they can't find an important document or they get that dreaded storage full notification. That's where File Manager Plus comes in. Think of it as the control center for everything stored on your phone. Instead of digging through confusing folders, this app organizes your files into simple categories like images, videos, music, documents, downloads, and APK files. Need to find a PDF someone sent you 3 months ago? It's easy. Want to move photos from internal storage to your SD card? Done in seconds. Need to delete large files that are wasting storage? The app helps you locate them quickly. It also lets you compress and extract zip files, connect to cloud storage, access network drives, and even manage files on USB storage devices if your phone supports OTG. The interface is clean, fast, and beginner-friendly, so you don't have to be a tech expert to use it. To download it, simply open the Google Play Store, search for File Manager Plus, and install the app published by Alpha Invent. Now that your files are organized, let's make your photos look incredible. PicsArt. If you've ever wondered how people create eye-catching Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, profile pictures, or aesthetic wallpapers right from their phones, chances are they're using PicsArt. This is far more than a photo editor. You can remove backgrounds with one tap, erase unwanted objects, add stylish text, apply professional filters, create collages, enhance blurry images, and even generate AI-powered artwork. For YouTube creators, it's especially useful because you can design custom thumbnails without needing a computer. Students can create presentations, small business owners can design flyers, social media users can make posts that stand out instantly. The app includes thousands of stickers, templates, fonts, and editing tools that would normally require expensive desktop software. While some premium features require a subscription, the free version is packed with enough tools for most people. Just search for PicsArt in the Google Play Store and install it. Now let's move from photos to videos. Filmora. If you're thinking about becoming a content creator, starting a YouTube channel, or making videos for TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, Filmora is one of the easiest video editors you can learn. You don't need years of editing experience. Simply import your clips, trim unwanted parts, add transitions, music, captions, animations, and export everything in high quality. What makes Filmora stand out is its AI-powered features. You can automatically generate captions, remove backgrounds, improve audio, create smart cutouts, and apply cinematic effects with just a few taps. Instead of spending hours learning complicated editing software, Filmora lets beginners create professional-looking videos within minutes. Whether you're editing travel videos, school projects, product reviews, or family memories, this app makes the entire process much easier. Download it directly from the Google Play Store by searching for Filmora. Speaking of videos, good visuals alone aren't enough. People will forgive average video quality, but they rarely forgive bad audio. That's why AudioLab deserves a spot on your phone. AudioLab is like having a portable recording studio in your pocket. You can record your voice, reduce background noise, trim audio clips, merge multiple recordings, change voice effects, adjust volume, convert between audio formats, and even extract audio from videos. If you're a YouTuber, podcaster, musician, student, or someone who records voice notes regularly, this app can dramatically improve your sound quality. Imagine recording a voiceover in your bedroom and making it sound much cleaner before uploading it online. That's the kind of difference AudioLab can make. Simply search for AudioLab on the Google Play Store and install it. Now, here's a problem almost everyone has experienced. You record a beautiful video, but it's too large to send on WhatsApp, Telegram, or email. Instead of deleting it or lowering the quality too much, use Video Compressor. This app reduces video file sizes while maintaining impressive quality. You can compress videos, resize resolutions, trim unnecessary sections, convert formats, and free up valuable storage space. It's especially useful if your phone has limited storage or you frequently share videos with friends, family, or clients. Instead of waiting forever for uploads, compressed videos transfer much faster. Search for Video Compressor in the Play Store and install the version with strong user ratings. Next is an app that's becoming more important every year: Proton VPN. Every time you connect to public Wi-Fi at a cafe, airport, hotel, or shopping mall, your data could potentially be exposed. That's where a VPN becomes useful. Proton VPN encrypts your internet connection, helping protect your privacy while browsing online. It also allows you to access the internet more securely, especially when using public networks. Unlike many free VPNs that collect user data or bombard you with ads, Proton VPN has earned a strong reputation for focusing on privacy and security. The free plan gives you access without forcing time limits, making it one of the better free VPN options available. To get started, download Proton VPN from the Google Play Store, create a free account, choose a server, and connect with a single tap. While we're talking about browsing, let's fix another major annoyance: advertisements. AdGuard. We've all experienced websites packed with pop-ups, banners, and distracting ads that slow everything down. AdGuard helps block many of these ads while also improving privacy by limiting tracking from certain websites and apps. Besides creating a cleaner browsing experience, blocking unnecessary ads can reduce data usage and sometimes improve page loading speeds. It's especially useful if you spend a lot of time reading articles or browsing the web on your phone. You can download AdGuard from its official website or use the version available through supported Android app stores, then follow the setup instructions to enable protection. Finally, let's talk about staying organized. Noteshelf. Whether you're attending classes, planning projects, brainstorming ideas, or managing daily tasks, Noteshelf transforms your phone or tablet into a digital notebook. You can type notes, write with a stylus, organize notebooks, annotate PDF documents, create checklists, insert images, and sync your work across devices. Instead of carrying multiple notebooks everywhere, everything stays neatly organized inside one app. Students can take lecture notes, professionals can organize meetings, creators can write video ideas. Anyone can keep track of important information without losing paper notes. Simply search for Noteshelf in the Google Play Store and install it. So if I had to recommend just these 8 free Android apps, they'd cover almost everything you need. File Manager plus your storage organized. PicsArt makes your photos stand out. Filmora helps you create professional videos. AudioLab improves your sound quality. Video Compressor saves storage and makes sharing easier. Proton VPN protects your online privacy. AdGuard creates a cleaner browsing experience. And Noteshelf keeps your ideas organized wherever you go. Together, they transform an ordinary Android phone into a much more powerful productivity and creativity tool. If you found at least one app you'll be installing today, let me know which one in the comments. And if you know another free Android app that deserves to be on this list, share it below so everyone can discover something new. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.